We live in the era of action. AI is no longer just writing text. It's starting to reshape our physical world. But what if your home is poorly lit? That means fatigue, vision loss, and gigawatts of wasted energy. Most people pick light bulbs at random. Chatbots can hallucinate numbers. Spatial Engine. AI is not just a chatbot. It's an autonomous, multimodal agent acting as a senior optical physicist. It doesn't guess, it sees, it calculates. At the core of Spatial Engine lies a hybrid architecture. I've combined the creativity of Gemini 3.0 Pro Vision with the rigid logic of a deterministic physics engine. Gemini sees the room geometry and textures, and my Python engine calculates exact illuminance levels, lux, at every point, verifying them against ISO safety standards. No hallucinations, just pure physics. But we go further. Spatial Engine understands economics. It scans the real market, finds energy-efficient LED bulbs, checks their compatibility with your smart home, and calculates ROI. It will tell you, by replacing these 5 bulbs, you'll save $200 a year and reduce CO2 emissions by half a ton. That's real value for your wallet and the planet. With the new Gemini Live API, communication becomes seamless. You just show the room and talk to the expert. Low latency, multimodality, and instant response. It's like having a professional lighting engineer right in your pocket.
I am the Spatial Engine AI, a specialized expert system for the Spatial Engine platform. My focus is on spatial analysis, lighting optimization, and energy efficiency.
Spatial Engine AI is a practical application of AGI for better quality of life. We turn photons into data, and data into the energy of action. Vote for Spatial Engine. Thank you.